Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat here on YouTube. If you're new, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So today's video, we're going to be talking about Popcaan's Unruly Fest. That's going to be a yearly dancehall show. And a lot of people have been asking me if I think it's going to be bigger than Sting. So let's get into this article. And it says, dancehall artist Popcaan will be hosting the inaugural staging of Unruly Fest, Popcaan and Friends edition in St Tomas, the parish of his birth in December of this year. This will be the first staging and it will not be a regular dancehall show with over 100 artists on the poster and hugging the stage. This show will have a higher production value and will be properly organized and orchestrated. Sharon Williams, a member of Popcaan's management team, told Jamaican reporter Claude Mills. Popcaan will be using a band and he will be performing 3 sets, one detailing with his first album, his most recent album, and the numerous hits in between. Caperton has already been confirmed for the show as well, she added. There will be performances from a number of Popcaan superstar friends during the event. The event will be staged on December 22nd at the Goodyear Oval in Morant Bay. The DJ have been doing charity work in the parish, the most recent being a back-to-school treat and fun day for children in Morant Bay in August. So they're saying that this will not be a yearly staging of the Unruly Fest. This will be the first staging though, and it will be happening on December 22nd. Will you be going to Popcaan's Unruly Fest? One thing that I was really surprised and shocked about is that Popcaan got 100 dancehall artists to go to this staging of his Unruly Fest. I did not even know that there was 100 dancehall artists out there, but big up to Popcaan for that, because I'm sure there will be veteran dancehall artists and reggae artists and prodigy amateur dancehall artists that will come showcase their talent and give back to the people of St. Thomas. Popcaan have been doing well for himself. He has been featured in a movie on Netflix. He's been touring and he's also released his album recently. And as you guys know, Popcaan is connected to Drake. So it would be very good, or would be a dope surprise if Drake make a surprise entrance and surprise performance at Popcaan's Unruly Fest. That would be really nice and really great for that particular event. But let's get into the meat of the matter and let's talk about, will Popcaan Unruly Fest be bigger than Sting? The first thing with Sting is like a clash. Popcaan is more like a concert, so they don't measure up in that case, but I feel like you can still compare and contrast them. Popcaan got 100 dancehall artists to agree to come perform. With that alone, you know that it's probably going to be bigger than Sting, because recently Nuffy went on stage and said that Sting is going to happen. We haven't seen any posters, we haven't seen any promotion, we haven't seen any of that. So it's kind of up in the air. And I feel like if Sting don't happen, everybody is actually going to go to Popcaan Unruly Fest. Popcaan is trying to help his community. He's always talk and been vocal about the roads in his community, the way his community is set up, the landslides and all of that. And for that, I have to give him props. And he's doing a lot of charity work for St. Thomas also. This man actually went out and went to go protest the horrible roads that are in St. Thomas. And you won't see a lot of dancehall artists stand up and stand firm and do stuff like that. So Popcaan gets a lot of props from me personally. So it would be nice to see this Unruly Fest and how it goes. I wish him nothing but the best. I'm sure it's going to turn out great. Is it going to be bigger than Sting? More than likely, because Drake have a lot of connection with Drake. Popcaan have a lot of connection with Drake, Rihanna, and he's also back and forth between Jamaica and England. So I feel like if he holds a fest or a concert like this, a lot of British people are going to fly down just for this concert alone, because it's 100 artists. Where can you pay to see 100 dancehall artists back to back? There's no place that I've buck upon so far. So this is going to be a stellar lineup, and he has dancehall and reggae acts. So comment in the comment section and tell me if you think that it's going to be bigger than Sting, or do you think Sting is not going to happen? They're just saying it because they want people hype and feel out what's going to happen. Or do you think that Popcaan is going to kill everything for December concerts and parties? Because I know he's not the only one or only person that's going to keep a big dancehall concert like this in the December month. So comment what you think in the comment section. Do you think it's a good look? Do you think that he should also do it every single year, make it a yearly thing like Sting? Comment all your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll be interacting with you guys. I personally think he should make it a yearly thing, but that's just me. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm up out of here, man. Deuces.